Hamwe na maria Mucirithania Prof Jackton Ojwang arathuthurio ni ati ni athikiriirie ciira wigie githurano kia gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado na ni agiriirwo kuga ni ahutanitie na gavana ucio.
In other words, we should determine which of the three lower courts decisions
aria mambikite ciira ucio kuri JSC matongoretio ni Nelson Oduor Onyango na andu angi anana merite kamiti ya JSC ati Ojwang ni mowaine na gavana Obado tondu maumite itura rimwe ria Uriri, kaunti ya Migori.
By one Nelson Oduor Onyango and 8 others against Supreme Court Judge Honorable Professor Jackton Ojwang.
Ningire maugite mwaka-ini wa 2014 Ojwang ni athondekeirwo barabara ya guthie gwake mucii niyo Kakrao Ogwethi ni thirikari ya Obado, undu uria Ojwang areganite naguo akiuga barabara iyo iteithagia andu aingi towe wiki.
The petition detailed instances which the petitioners believed constituted grounds of misconduct, impropriety, conflict of interest, and a breach of judicial code of conduct on the part of the Honorable Judge.
Ciira wigie gavana ucio ni wateaneirio ni Mucirithania Ojwang na jaji angi a igoti ituugiru.
This court should not, quote, re-examine the probative value of the evidence tendered at the trial court.
Oho komiconi ya magoti JSC yuugite Prof Jackton Ojwang ari umwe wa acirithania thiini wa ciira ungi buhutanite na mugunda wa kanjo ya wendo iria riu irungu rwa thirikari ya kaunti ya Migori ya gavana Okoth Obado. Ojwang oringi ndatangathire ati ni owaine na Obado rira ciira ucio wathiaga na mbere.
Despite being conflicted and being closely associated with the county government of Migori and the governor Honorable Okoth Obado.
JSC ikauga riria mucirithania ucio etirwo mbere ya kamiti niguo kuhungwo mahuri ni undu wa macira macio meri ni aregire guthie undu uria ucungiriirie kwendekithia athuthurio ni kamiti iria guthondekwo ni president.
The petition had disclosed sufficient ground to warrant a recommendation to the president to set up a tribunal for the removal of the Honorable Justice Ojwang.
Professor Jackton Ojwang egukorwo jaji wa gatatu wa igoti ituugiru kwambikirwo kamiti ya guthuthurio hamwe na aria mari mathuthurio ni kamiti yo ni Nancy Barasa na Philip Tunoi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muitiriri wa Wangariri.